Rogers TV pausing issues usually stem from three main factors: network instability, app refresh glitches, and storage limitations. Network problems involve insufficient bandwidth, latency, and packet loss. App issues arise from corrupted caches or outdated versions. Storage becomes a problem when your device fills up with cached videos and recordings, hindering smooth streaming. Understanding how these elements interact is key to fixing the problem. For example, a weak network will make storage problems even worse. First, check your network. Use Rogers' built-in speed test or Ookla speed test to ensure you're getting adequate bandwidth. If your speed is low, try upgrading your internet plan or using a wired Ethernet connection. Next, refresh the Rogers TV app by force quitting and reopening it. Clear the app cache in the settings. Make sure the app is updated to the newest version, as Rogers releases updates with smart pause prevention features. Finally, manage your device storage by deleting unnecessary files and recordings, and consider using Rogers' cloud storage feature to free up space. Restarting your device is a simple first step that often resolves the issue. For persistent problems, contact Rogers support.